Good morning, dear students. I hope you had done the example 1 to 5 of your alphabet test chapter. Okay, so today we will be starting with the exercise of this. The first question is, which of the following group of letters can be rearranged to get the word umbrella? It means some of the jumbled letters are given in A, B, C and the D part. You have to tell which of these letters will be correctly arranged in the order so that you will be getting your word umbrella. Okay, so from this it is clear that K is not here in the umbrella. Okay, and here its Y is not in the umbrella. Okay, and double K is also not there. So if we arrange these letters in a proper manner, U, M, B, R, E, L, L, A. So here we are getting our word umbrella. Okay, so you have to just rearrange the letters, so you will be getting your word umbrella here. Now, next is, which of the following group of letters can be rearranged to get the words elephants? This is same just like this, so you will be doing it your own. You have to just find out the among these four options, in which options letters should be arranged in a proper manner so that you will be getting your word elephants here. Clear? The third one is also like this. Again, you have to rearrange, you have to tell out of these four options which option is correct for the algebra. Okay, now in the next question you have to find out the missing term. Here we are having A, E, I, M. Now you have to tell this thing after M which alphabet will come. After M which alphabet will come. Now I had written the alphabet sequence series here. After A, we are getting E after 3 jumps. Means if we are dropping B, C and D, then we are getting E. After E, if I am dropping F, G and H, I am getting I. After I, if I am dropping J, K and L, then I am getting here M. Okay. And after M, if I am dropping N, O, P, so what I will get? I will get here Q. Okay, what I will get? So it means we are dropping the 3 letters and we are getting the next letter. Okay, B, C, D I had dropped, so I got E. Okay, then F, G, H, then I. It means after we have to jump by 3 letters. Clear? So the answer is Q. Now again here, find the missing term. Here we are Z, W, T, Q. We have to tell this thing that which alphabet will come after Q. So start from the extreme right hand. Here after Z we are getting W. It means we are reversing the letters here now. We are going back. Okay, we had dropped Y and X, we are getting W. After W we had dropped V and U, we are getting T. After T we had dropped S and R, we are getting here Q. Now after Q, if we are dropping here P and O, we will be getting here N. So what is the answer here? The answer is N. Okay. Question number 6 will be in homework. Now the next question is, what should come next in the following sequence of the letters? See, this is very easy. First of all, we are writing here A, then AB. Okay, then it will ABC. Now what will come next? ABCD. Now after this ABCDE, and after this ABCDE. Okay, agar 2 blanks if there will be, then it will be E and F. Okay, so here it will be A. Very easy. Again I am repeating. First of all, just divide the whole sequence into parts. First is A, then AB, then ABC, then ABCD, then ABCDE, then ABCDEF. Okay, so here 2 blanks are not there, so our answer is E. Clear? Now the question number 8 is in homework. Now the question number 9. Question number 9. What is the 10th alphabet from the last in the word? Okay, we have to just see from the last that it will be the 10th alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10th. Very easy. So the answer is I. Mirror image you know. So you will be doing it your own. Now the question number 11. Arrange the given words in alphabetical order and tick the one that comes in the second last position. So you will be doing this your own. Clear? You know how to arrange the letters words in the alphabetical order. So you have to tell this thing which word will come at the second last position. Clear? Now the next is, How many meaningful words can be formed with the letters L, G, E and U? This will also in homework. You can easily do it. Okay. Now, if all the A's are dropped from the given series, which of the following will be the 20th letter from the left hand? You have to tell which of the letter will be coming from the left hand. Just drop, means cut all the A's here. Okay. Now, from the left hand is a this one, this is the left and this is the right. Now, from here start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this, when you will be proceeding, you will be getting your 20th letter B. Clear? Question number 15 is also in homework. Now the 15 and the 16 both is in homework. Now the question number 17. You have to tell which of the following group of letters can be rearranged to get the word flag. Up. You have to just tell, after rearranging all these letters of these words, which pair will make the word flag. Okay. So here it is not possible, here it is not possible. The answer here is this. If you arrange these letters F, L, A, G, you are getting your answer as flag. Clear? Now, which of the following group of letters? Again, it is same just like this. So, 18th and 19th will also be in homework. Okay. Now, the next question. Find the missing term. This is very easy. See, A comes at the first position. So, A is 1 time. B comes at the second position. So, B is coming 2 times. Now, C will be in the third position. So, C will be coming 3 times. And D is in fourth position. So, D is repeating 4 times. Okay. So, our answer is C. Clear? So, rest of the questions we will be doing in the next class. Thank you.